So you just mentioned that healing is not therapist's job.
It could be a byproduct.
It is a byproduct,
Yes.
but it is not therapist's job. So shouldn't be a disclaimer before you start the therapy कि okay, I'm not here to fix you. I'm just gonna guide you in certain direction. It's your job to fix yourself. If there is a fixation required, अगर कोई fixing required है नहीं तो फिर आपको fix करने. But I don't see this happening. Maybe the people who are going to a therapy, they don't see it that way.
Anytime we think of anything related to mental health, like, red flags come up, like something is wrong. It's nothing. So first of all, like, let's just say that the idea is that we're living in a chaotic world, and there is constant stimuli, and there's no perfect parenting. Our parents make a lot of mistakes, and just with the confusion, the decisions to be made, we are following some unconscious patterns. And I feel, in simplest terms, the work of a therapist is to bring those unconscious in your consciousness, to raise your awareness, to give you the tools to navigate and to be able to make your own decisions. Healing ki jo baat hoti hai, healing has become a very buzzword, right? Like, social media is full of like healing. Healing is not the therapist's responsibility. The therapist's responsibility is to just show you a mirror, and what you take from the mirror is your responsibility. So the autonomy is with the client, and the thought process is that it's part of your journey. It is not the journey. Let me put it that way. People are like, oh, I'll go for therapy and I'll be fixed. But what is fixed? We will never be fixed. There's no fixing required. The idea is that we start from a place of acceptance, that this is who I am and where I am, and these are just my struggles. And these struggles are coming from core beliefs, patterns, what we've seen in the family, in the society, religion, social, the media, all of those things. जिसकी वजह से हमारे core beliefs बने हुए हैं, and in a very simplest, gentle terms, it is to kind of like question our beliefs and be like, how are they serving me? And to have a mind, body, and at some level soul connection, that all of this is in our mind, but how do we feel it in our body? We don't feel in our mind, we feel in our body. So a lot of our feelings are not exactly feelings because we're not feeling them. We're not allowing them to feel them. And the work of a therapist is to kind of connect what's happening in the mind with the body, to be like, okay, this is how it feels. Because it's like, like अगर आप दो वो wire को जोड़ते हैं, click होता है, you're able to make sense of it. And once you identify the feeling, then you can process the feeling and let it go. But if you don't know what I'm feeling, how do you work and navigate around it? So you just feel stuck. So in one way, therapy helps you get unstuck.